Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is an Adobe Audition CC 2021. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the auto-tune effect using the automatic pitch correction, so you can sound a little more like Post Malone, or every single song you hear on SoundCloud. Let me show you how to do it in Adobe Audition CC 2021. So here I am in a new multi-track session of Adobe Audition. So we'll record the vocals on this first track. So I'm on the input-output section. I'm going to click on this just to make sure that my microphone is selected. I'll click on R to arm for record. I should be seeing the levels. Then I'm going to press the red record button or shift spacebar to start recording. This is Mike Murphy. Here we are in the multi-track of Adobe Audition CC 2021, and I'm going to show you how to apply the automatic pitch correction so you can get that cool auto-tune effect that we hear on so many songs today. To apply the automatic pitch correction, select the track that you want to apply it to. So in this case, we want to apply it to the vocal track. We're going to go to the effects rack. If you don't see that, you can get to it by going to Window, Effects Rack. Make sure you're on Track Effects, and make sure the track name is the track that you're working on. You see, if I select another track, that track name will update. So we want to be on the vocal track. We're going to click on this little arrow, then go to Time and Pitch, Automatic Pitch Correction. So the main purpose of automatic pitch correction is just what it sounds like. It is trying to fix the pitch to match whatever key or scale that song is in. So you can set what scales the song is in, major, minor if you know. Choose Chromatic if you want Audition to try to guess what the song is in. For this example, we're going extreme. So I'm going to click on the presets and I'm going to choose Extreme Correction. You can play with the scale if you just want to try different keys and play around and get different effects, but we're going to stick with Chromatic. We'll keep everything else the same. I'm going to hit the space bar. I'm going to toggle this on and off, which is going to toggle on the effect and toggle off the effect, just so you can hear the difference. So I'm going to press the space bar to preview. This is Mike Murphy. So here we are in the multi-track of Adobe Audition CC 2021, and I'm going to show you how to apply the automatic pitch correction so you can get that cool auto-tune effect that we hear on so many songs today. And that is how to apply the automatic pitch correction to get the auto-tune effect in Adobe Audition CC 2021. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.